In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A12s, and let me show you how to simulate color space here. So, if you'd like to manage your display, at first you need to open the settings, then find and select developer options. If you cannot find them here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to unlock developer mode and click to open. Then scroll down and look for simulate color space. Here this is not the one, here it is. Tap on it, and now you can pick one from the following options. So it can be monochromacy, red-green but in a bit different color palette, and then blue-yellow. And just pick the one that you would like to apply. If you would like to turn it off and go back to default setup, just click on disabled. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.